What's up guys? Today we're going to take a look at the 5 best projector screens on the market for this year. We are going to show you our 5 selections, and we'll discuss whether they are worth purchasing or not. For additional details and the latest pricing on the mentioned products, visit the links in the description below. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Mid-Bebran Projection Screen. Looking for a high-quality, affordable projection screen for your home theater or outdoor movie nights? Look no further than the Mid-Bebran 120-inch projection screen. This screen is made of high-quality polyester material and is designed to be wrinkle-resistant and easy to set up. It also supports both front and rear projection, so you can use it with any projector. With its 120-inch diagonal size and 16:9 aspect ratio, this screen is perfect for watching movies, TV shows, and playing video games. It also has a wide viewing angle, so you can enjoy a clear picture from anywhere in the room. The Mid-Bebran 120-inch projection screen is a great value for the price. It is easy to set up, tear down, and store, making it perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. Whether you are a movie buff or a gamer, this screen is sure to enhance your home entertainment experience. Number 2. Tautic Projector Screen. The Tautic 120-inch projector screen is ideal for those who want a quick and easy setup for their home, party, office, or classroom. Its large size and wrinkle-free material ensure a clear image with bright colors and no color cast. The 160 degrees wide viewing angle allows for comfortable viewing from multiple locations. Portability is a crucial feature of the Tautic projector screen, as it can fold into a small size and fit into a backpack or suitcase. Setting it up takes only 5 minutes with the included hooks, ropes, and stickers, making it convenient for indoor and outdoor use. This projector screen can be a perfect gift for loved ones. Hand wash the product when cleaning it. Number 3. PropView Projector Screen. This projector screen is a great option for those who want a high-quality, portable screen that is easy to set up and take down. The screen is made of a premium wrinkle-free matte PVC material that provides excellent image quality. The screen is also 100 inches diagonal and has a 16:9 aspect ratio, making it perfect for watching movies, playing games, or giving presentations. The screen is also very easy to set up and take down. The tripod stand is adjustable, so you can set the screen to the perfect height for your viewing needs. The screen also comes with a carry bag, so you can easily transport it from one location to another. Overall, this projector screen is a great option for those who are looking for a high-quality, portable screen that is easy to set up and take down. Number 4. Aficionado Projector Screen. The Aficionado projector screen is ideal for indoor and outdoor movie nights. The durable, wrinkle-free material is made from soft touch and stretchy thick polyester fiber, ensuring crease resistance. The wide 160 degrees viewing angle and generous 150-inch size allow for comfortable viewing even from the sides of the projector. The portable design makes installation and transport a breeze. You can easily store it in the included storage bag without any damage. In addition to being great for home theater or office presentations, this projector screen is also perfect for special occasions. Its high-definition images with bright colors make it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use, and it makes a thoughtful gift for family or friends. A satisfaction guarantee from the manufacturer also backs it. Number 5. GT Get Go Tech Projector Screen. The GT Get Go Tech projector screen with stand is ideal for home theaters, businesses, and classrooms. It boasts a 16:9 format and a wide 160 degrees viewing angle, providing sharp and high-resolution images you can see from both front and rear projections. This projector screen is made from sturdy metal and glass fiber rods and offers reliable longevity and durability. Setting it up is a breeze with its simple design. Just hang it on the 4 corners with a rope and assemble the detachable legs. The package also includes a black carrying bag for easy transportation. Its compact folding design makes this projector screen perfect for family trips, camping, or backyard movie nights. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.